How you guys doing? Here's a video tech tip about the Baja S8 20-inch single row bar in the front grille of this GMC. I did a different GMC with a 20-inch bar. I'm going to insert the video link here. So as you can see in that link, we did it a little differently on this one. Basically what you have to do is in the lower part of the grille, you're going to be removing a couple of these grille notches. They go right here. You can see kind of how they match up with the upper part there and there. So we remove them, we file them smooth, we make them pretty. Okay, and that allows the grill to recess back in there. And then what we're using now on this one is this nice black bracket. It tucks up flat with the edge of this plastic here, and you're able to get a screw right up in the top here. We use a coarse thread stainless steel screw and the supplied Baja Designs bracket here. And I like this because it kind of hides a little bit better from the top of the truck here. You don't see the screw or the fastener or any of that. And this mounting also gives you just a little bit of wiggle room on the up and down. So if you need to tip the bar down, you can. Or if you want to tip it up in the trees because you're a hunter and you're looking for ducks or pheasants or whatever it is that you want to look in the trees for, you can tip it up too. So that's what you're left with as far as your protrusion. Very little, if any, just a tiny bit on the ends, about 1/8 of an inch on the ends. And I like the way it looks. Turns out really, really nice. So that's how we're doing that. We're running the wiring on this one out the back, kind of down and up here. It's not done yet. It's going to be coming up into here, and you can bring it up right behind here or anywhere here and run your extension off of here. So that's a little bit of the in-depth detail on the Baja mount and the front of these GMCs.